son's a butcher. It's son's a butcher. You know it's son's a butcher. Son Butcher, Ricky Butcher, and Doug Borski. You know it's son's a butcher.
Son's a butcher quality meat. Yeah? Not delivered? Oh, I'm sorry, it's on its way.
More deliveries, more deliveries, more deliveries.
Yeah, sure, Doug. I'll do them. Just let me pull my third arm out of my ass!
Yeah, good morning. 1 box chicken, 1 free magazine. Sign here.
You know, we've been friends for endless years. Hell, let's not meet around the bush. Ed, how would you like to be our new delivery guy?
My name's Demetrius, and I have no idea who you are.
How is an exchange student today? Ah, Christ, I don't know how to build a house. Doug,
I can't.
I'm not asking, I'm telling.
I just accidentally cut my head, yo!
Damn it, Doug! They gotta be more careful! I'm already buried in goddamn deliveries and meat that needs goddamn cutting and deliveries and meat! Now don't bleed on anything! Oh, Misty, I'm sorry. I know I've been negating you, baby, but the shop's been real busy and... I know, it's no excuse. I really do miss licking your neck and pounding your whammy. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Doug, we need to hire someone else.
What? You don't get fire me? I scrub, I mop, I wipe Ricky's ass sometimes. You know what's gonna drop me like a sack of balls? You can't fire me, bitch, I quit!
Jeez, Lois! I was talking about hiring someone to do the deliveries.
Oh, I was just kidding.
Now, where am I gonna find someone dumb enough to do hours of hard work for free?
Try this. Sorry, I meant this. Yeah, you let these exchange students stay at your house and then yours to teach. Or to deliver meats, if you know what I'm saying.
This is the best idea I've ever had. Thanks, Doug. And it's been my life stream to mentor a degenerate foreigner. It's God's work.
Do you promise not to mislead, misinform, misuse, or murder the exchange student?
Yes, 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 and no.
Approved.
I ain't here. What the? What the hell, man?
Ricky Butcher! Or your balls! All of them!
Whoa. Listen, buds. I don't know who you are, why you got a sickle, but I suggest you tell your brain to tell your legs to walk on out of here.
Or else what? Oh, jeez.
Barbecue-y. Wait a minute.
Ricky! Okay, normally I'd be pissed that you just stabbed me, but thanks for getting rid of that guy. He caught me having a bath with his wife.
Bitsy! I'm home! Bitsy! Where the hell? What?
totally greasy.
Good welcomings. Just pull those up. It's our new delivery boy. What did I tell you about doing the fancy with husbands' wives?
2 in the pink, 1 in the...
No! Either date girls your own age or date single moms.
Yeah, you're right. I'm done with married cougars. You, let's hit the bar and scoop some young sleuths.
Me like scoops of sleuths.
Why that bitch be getting the royal treatment?
The tide is learning, Doug, and I am free. Misty and me are going to renew our vows.
So it's like I'm saying, marriage is a license to cheat. But I'm done with that life. You're gonna pick up where I left off.
I want Ricky's life.
Now watch me work this room into a horny sweat. Feel free to dingle your bits.
Okay.
Normally I'd never go near skanks like you, but I'm trying something new. So, who wants first, who wants sloppies, and who wants to watch?
Oh! Ricky should marry girl and make baby Rickers.
Woo! I hate kids! That's why married women are the ticket. All they want is the jackhammer from someone that isn't their husband.
In my home country, we make call of the quiff, and any girl is yours.
That sounds like Saul's ass.
And all women in Fallopia are baby-free, tubes tied.
What? Fixed? I'd marry something like that.
Huh?
Raging Camel to charging duck, over.
Heyo.
Polish the sidewalk, vacuum the grass.
Sweep my shoes, and make these deliveries. Thank you, Saul. Oh, and remop the floors when Doug leaves. Wyvers will do anything for Master Saul. You are king of Canada. You're gonna work out, you little gobnobbler. Yo-leo.
That little bitch be going down.
Oh, you are looking good. Oh, let's do this.
Thorbora Ratvikia. You are an 18-year-old portrait of seduction.
Gosh! Ah! We're through, Misty! It's your fault I suck! Ah, my best years. Ooh.
Can I get a pound of grub?
Got it!
Do you, Sausalito, take this woman to be your bride?
I do. Hold this. What no Wallies? Who's Wally?
The name's Warren. What do you want?
Your best guitar.
Hey, Warren Jr., go get me the human life extinguisher.
2 Wallies? Heyo.
Come here, Wyvers. Y'all need to clean this brassless heirloom.
Okay.
Damn, yo, you just dropped it. Ooh, Sog wanted to pull you. D-P-O-W-T. Depot.
Why that's fix?
Here, deliver this.
Heyo.
Jesus, Doug! Put that stump back in your pants. This is Thorbora, my own personal exchange student. Only she's here to exchange bodily fluids.
Get some cheese!
Saul! It's my new girlfriend. She's single and she's fixed.
Still looks busted to me.
Hiya.
Hey, Doug, touch this guitar, and I'll break it over your face!
You know, you make me happier than any other fatty.
Thankies.
Oh, that was hot.
In home country, squirrel is rare eatings. We love the squirrel.
And I hate squirrel. We're perfect for each other. Hey! Caw! With this ring, I want to marry you.
Yes, I will vet you.
Hail! Chest titties!
Yeah, they're huge, eh?
No, chest titties means congratulations in me home tongues. Me hope to enjoy marriage to fallopian native.
Well, thanks for showing me a whole new world of girls that can't have babies.
Wife as lovers, Ricky.
Let's just leave it at thanks. Now get the hell out of here, dick nuts.
Hail!
That midget be winning Saul over. But not after I clean this here jam room. I'm gonna be replaced!
I can't wait to play my new... Ah! We've been robbed! But by who? The two Wallies, that didn't add up. Or maybe it's the Mafia! The Ministry of Exchange! Sure, take my guitar, then what? My shop? My brother? My fart jar!
Da da da. Man, it is burger o'clock. Go get me a bag of triple burgers, would you?
Anything for Hickory.
Finally. Thorbora Butcher, I've never loved anything other than boobs, but you've changed me. This song is called Tenderize Me.
They're after me! Incinerate me!
What?
The Ministry of Exchange is after me! Did you hear that?
What?
Throw me in jail!
What?
Serve and protect me!
Security!
Your love was like the finest cut of beef, tender, juicy to the touch. Your recipe for love was just right. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Tenderize me, you know I love you. Tenderize me, I can't replace you. Tenderize me, where the F is she? Burgers! Where's the birds? And where were you?
I chased the squirrels and never catching.
Oh, were they carrying burgers? No! Go to my room!
Ain't gonna be no horse head in my bed!
What's his problem?
Fear of horse costumes.
Hey! Let her go! That's my wife, dude!
You do mine, I do yours. Come on.
Burgers!
It is time for squirrel walking.
Go for a walk by yourself! Eat squirrels! Be merry! Cheaters never prosper.
Oh, good sausage, yes. Very good.
Where you going, huh? Huh? Who you banging? Huh? Who you banging? Huh? No, you don't, you little nut juggler! Squash you! Oh, you are so dead! Oh man, I got a flat. Thorbora!
I can't fix it. I got to submit my crimes. Oh, Wilders, you broke the vase again. Wait a minute. Hey, you see Wilders?
No things. Just a bag of squirrels.
Bitch, are you for real?
I found you! I love eating.
God damn, where be Wilders?
Piss on Wyvez! Where's Thorbora?
She was here a few hours ago. She went up to your room with a bag of squirrels.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. I am gonna ream her ass out good! Wanna watch?
Yeah. Can I make falafel?
Sure.
Yes.
She's gonna get it so good.
Yeah.
Where were you today? Collecting squirrels? Bullshit! You were collecting other men's asses!
I didn't.
I searched the dumpster all day for you!
Hey-oh!
Why, Vez!
Damn!
License to cheat, Rickers!
He's so right! I taught him that. Way to go, man! You successfully scored with a married woman!
I'm sorry, Rick. I couldn't resist Call of the Quiff.
My little protege.
I stole your wife!
Listen, yo, I got to admit, I've been trying to sabotage your ass since day one. I thought you were gonna take my job. But I realized something. You and I make a great team.
How we make team?
Well, I got this here guitar. Seeing as I done bruck it, and you can done fix it, well, that'd be one hell of a team effort, you dig?
Wyvers will fix. Ta-da!
Off the map!
Hey, I need your wedding ring back. The tour van's got a flat.
They got my guitar, but they'll never get my fart jar.
Oh, it's really pork sausage. So what the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing? Oh, goodbye, friends. Look what I found, yo!
Give me it!
Rock guy.
Thank you, Northwestern Westonbury!
Doug, where'd you find this?
Actually, it was here, in the basement, under some debris.
I believe you.
Good.
I forgot to put this piece back into the guitar Doug broke. The guitar that Saul has on him. Me and Thorbor are going back to Fallopia now. See ya.
Is this true?
Yeah, I was gonna admit it. I mean, I was here when it broke.
It was either you or the guitar. And the guitar don't mop.
Ricky Butcher! My wife left me. Says she wants to be with Ricky Butcher.
Well, she's shit out of luck, pork nuts, because I've given up on single chicks. The only way I'll be with her is if she's with you.
Oh, thank you, Ricky. You just saved my marriage.
I know.
Doug, Ricky, sausage-eating man.
Hey, how you doing?
To new beginnings.
It's Sons of Butcher!